Welcome to Your Unique Yoga. I am Marlene. Today, we're doing a little different video today, and I want to introduce you to my first mini garden. Now, this is the first time I've ever done anything like this, and I find it to be very interesting and really nice to do. Now, the one tip that I have when you start a garden is to plant the things that you like to eat. And for me, I like to have beets, which is a sugar baby beet here. You'll see here. The leaves are a nice, beautiful purple type color. And I also have watermelon. See the watermelon here. And actually, there are about 6 that are growing here, or 7 that are growing here. So they're really, really nice. And you can actually see the size of them here. Really nice size. And they're also what's called the baby watermelon. Now, I also have parsley, which is used for a lot of different things in cooking, especially with salads. You use it in any types of sauces and things like that. And also, you can also make vegetable drinks, like a parsley drink as well. And over here, I have my jalapeno peppers, which I like to have as well. I actually have like it looks like there's 4 that's growing here. You'll see they're also coming. Really nice. They're coming in beautiful. And also, what's great is basil. Basil has a very nice scent to it, and it's also used in a lot of cooking cuisines that you will like to eat, like in sauces, and it has a lot of useful things to it. And last is rosemary. I love rosemary. Rosemary is also used for a lot of every other things as well. And the texture of it is nice. It's kind of like a little piney feel, but it has a beautiful, beautiful smell and aroma. And it's used in a lot of the cooking. So these are just my start, and it's new to me, and I hope you like it. And we will see you next time on the Namaste.